All right, guys, how you doing? So today, I'd like to talk about Chicago, about all those rumors online had been going on about Chicago companies. Yeah, I agree on that. That's a lot of scam in Chicago. It's a lot. But to be honest, it's all over the place. California is not better than Chicago, and I don't want to say like the other states perfectly fine. It's all over the place at the time we live in. Yeah, that's what it is. And from what I see in online, more and more people concerned about it, about all that scam, all that crap, everything. The way drivers drive on the road, the behavior, everything. But let me tell you something. Just being honest with you, straight up, like it is. I know a few foreign companies owned by foreigners that are really great companies. And one of them I work for. It's called West Coast Cargo. That's the company I work for. Trust me, I'm in business more than 10 years. I'm doing it more than 10 years. I've seen a lot of companies. I've seen a lot of crap. And to be honest, that crap was not only coming from foreigners. I've seen some crap from Americans as well. I'm not saying that I'm not defending immigrants, or I'm not trying to say that Americans worse than immigrants or vice versa. No. I'm just trying to be fair, honest, and giving you guys my opinion on that. So I work for West Coast Cargo. I've been with them almost 1.5 years, and I'm happy. I'm really happy, and they treat me right. They treat me really right, fair, and trust me, I'm such type of person. I'm not like I don't play around. If I don't like it, I just leave. I don't like whenever something is wrong, I will talk about it right away. I'm not gonna sit and wait and like I'm on point all the time. So if something is wrong, I'm addressing the issue. It's done. From my experience, for 1.5 years, when I got hired, they sent me to the dealership. I picked up a brand spanking new Freightliner Cascadia. You can see it on my channel. I hooked up a brand new RGN XL80, brand spanking new. Got all new equipment, and I hit the road. After a few months of work, I mentioned to my boss that it would be good for us to get a different tractor, a 4-axle tractor, so we can hold more weight and use full capacity of my trailer. So a year later, he bought a brand new truck. He actually bought four brand new trucks, 4-axle ones, the Volvo VHD. I would not call this truck a heavy haul spec. I would call it a medium duty. Like the maximum capacity I can scale is 80,000 pounds. And I think it's more than enough for me. Yeah, I would say that's not like freaking fancy Peterbilt or Kenworth, but it's decent truck. Now it's got 25,039 miles. And I'm actually pretty happy about it. Let me tell you the specs. The specs are, it's 500 horsepower engine. It's 14,000 steer, 14,000 pusher, and 20,000 drives. Let me show you the truck real quick. But before I do that, I want to mention, guys, whenever you labeling somebody or something, I just want to know that there is a good people and good companies out there. One of them I work for. I'm really grateful for the company to give me this opportunity, for treating me right, for being good to me. And from my side, I'm doing my best. I've been dead serious about my job. I'm taking care of my equipment, and they treat me right. So whenever somebody says that, oh, Chicago is a mess, it's only immigrants out there and they all scammers, I won't agree on that. Yeah, it's a lot of crap going on, and that crap gonna get fixed. But there are some good people out there, professional people, and they also US citizen, as you and me. So it doesn't matter if you're an immigrant or US citizen. What's matter if you're a good person or you're a bad person. That's the whole difference. The most important difference, guys. All right, let me show you my truck real quick, and that will be it for today. That's a dash. I mean, that's a pretty basic dash.